Hello, so I have 15 to 20 must-have Amazon products in this video. Are they life-changing? I think some of them could be for sure. It's been over a year since my last Amazon products video, and so many of you love that video. I don't know what took me so long to do a second one. Even though it's not a holiday or a Christmas video, I know a lot of you found it really handy for your Christmas shopping, especially since so many of us are online shopping right now. And as I'm filming this, every single one of these products can be received by Christmas. Now, I don't know what's going to happen between now and when this goes live. And of course, you can use this as a reference all year long. I mean, these are products that I swear by and I love, and I have a wide variety of products in this video. So let's go ahead and get into these must-have Amazon products that I love. This first one isn't really life-changing, but it's really nice, whether it's for yourself or for a gift for someone, and it's something that I wouldn't really think would be available on Amazon, and it's the necklace that I'm wearing. I know there's a lot of people out there that like personalized things with their initials, and this necklace is a little bit different from others that I've seen. It's got the kind of graduated size with the pearls. It's got the link chain that's so popular right now. It's adjustable in length, so you can make it shorter or longer. It's very on trend. I actually have it a little bit shorter than what I would normally wear it, just so that you guys could see it. And this looks like something I would buy at my local boutique. So the fact that you can get it sent quickly and it's not expensive is just a great bonus. So if you are looking for that perfect kind of personalized gift for someone, this one is a good one. All right, this one is kind of life-changing for me. I'm showing you my daughter's and mine. These are Simple Human tumblers, and we have the 28-ounce size. So you fill this up 2 to 3 times a day and you're at your water allotment. They have tons of patterns to choose from. They're slim, so they fit in your car cup holder. They're insulated, so they keep everything cold a really long time. And I do find that I drink more water during the day when I drink it out of this. This goes with me from room to room. This is something that is great to have for yourself if you're someone who isn't great about drinking water and wants something that will maybe help motivate you a little bit. I mean, you know the capacity you're getting, and you know how many times you have to fill it up. It's kind of a no-brainer. It's also a good gift for somebody because they're so darn cute. If you or anyone you know drink hard seltzers like White Claw or Truly or anything like that, you need one of these. I actually got this before it was even carried on Amazon, but this is such a pretty rose gold color, and very much like the Simple Modern tumbler I just showed you, you have a myriad of colors to choose from, but this is a hard insulated huggy koozie, whatever you happen to call those. I know everybody has a different name for your hard seltzer. It's slim, so it fits right against it. Unlike a traditional huggy for beer cans, your hands don't get cold. It really works so well. And it's pretty. It's your own. I have loved this. I used it all summer long, and it's got a solid rubber bottom, so it's not going to slip and slide everywhere. It's actually pretty durable. Leave me in the comments what your favorite hard seltzer. I guess that's the official name for them. I like High Noons because it's actually just vodka and soda. That's my preference because, you know, it's a little bit different in terms of alcohol content, but I love that one. I can't find it anywhere though. What do you guys like? A lot of us are working from home either temporarily or permanently now, or we're doing Zoom calls a lot more. So let's get into that for a little bit. And I do want to let you know that in my first Amazon video, I showed a lot of really handy things for that about getting your workstation more ergonomic, because I've had to do that now that I work from home a lot, elevating my laptop to be desktop height so that I don't get a pinched nerve, because having dealt with that, it's pretty miserable. So you can get to that video in my description box as well as through the card up here. If you are on mobile, hit the title below the video and you'll get a drop down. If you're on desktop, look below that title and you'll see the words show more. Just click those words. But I had a lot of great office-y things, beauty things, and other things in that video that I'm not duplicating here. I think I am actually mentioning 2 of those things in this video, but there's a reason. So this year I got this triple charger. It folds completely flat so that if you want to travel with it or, you know, stack it to move it, you can do that. But this charges your cell phone. You just lay it flat here. It charges your Apple Watch. It magnetizes here, and it charges your AirPods here. And if you have the Apple Pen, I guess that's what it's called, it charges it here. I say triple charger, but I guess it's a quadruple charger. I just don't have the pen, so for me, it's a triple charger. But I charge everything at night. It works beautifully. beautifully and everything is in one spot. You don't have to lay everything all over your nightstand or your desk. The cord plugs into here on the back. I mean, when you feel it, it's so lightweight. It doesn't feel like it would be able to charge all of those things, but it does a really great job and it's nice and streamlined, which I appreciate. I know everyone talks about blue light glasses. You hear about them a lot, but if you've heard about them and you don't quite understand what they are, or you don't get the hype, or you think they're just a bunch of bunk, you may want to look into them, especially with as much time as we spend on our devices, because if you're a woman over 40, you are already prone to dry eye, and looking at your devices, no matter how old you are, increases that. I used to work in eye care, and it's just real, and anything that can help prevent that blue light exposure is going to help with that. So I found this pair from Amazon that I think is really cute. I have a small face, so these are going to look bigger on me than they look on other people. You can see the reflection of everything right now, so excuse that, but I don't mind them being a little bit big because it prevents more blue light exposure. You can also see the yellow tint, and that's what you'll get when you use blue light glasses, but it really just helps prevent dry eye, prevent your eyes from being strained and irritated when you're looking at your phone, at your computer, at your iPad, at all these devices that we spend so much time looking at. I thought this pair was really cute too. It's sometimes hard for me to find glasses that don't just completely swallow my face. And I did like the size of these for my face. They weren't quite as huge as other ones that I found that just overwhelmed my face completely. So anyway, I liked these, and they've held up nicely too. I don't know about you, but I like where I work at home to feel good and have kind of an aesthetic appeal to it, because it makes me want to be in that space more. And earlier this year, I found a really pretty desk lamp. I had looked at other stores and I just couldn't find what I was looking for, and I ended up finding it on Amazon of all places. I'll link you to the one that I found that I love and some other options as well, but I was just kind of surprised that they had something that was just exactly what I was looking for. So this could be something that you treat yourself to make your workspace more appealing, or, you know, if you have a teen or someone who's wanting their desk to look, you know, just right, it could be good for them too. This is a device that I got earlier this year that has helped me so much with my lower back, because I sit so much during the day. You just lay down, arch your back over it, and it stretches your spine so that it just helps your spine health. It's kind of like at-home traction in a way, you know? There's an adjuster here. You start out at the lowest level where it's a little flatter, and then you can go up 2 more levels. They have a few people that make these on Amazon, and they all have different ratings, of course, but I've been really impressed at the improvement in my stiffness in my back and just soreness from sitting all day. You know, I do try to stand more and move around, but I definitely attribute some of my feeling better to this little device right here. I've been super happy with this. My back thanks me for getting this, and it's not something that people even know about or think about getting from Amazon, but I'm really, really glad that I did. This is something I put in both of my teens' stockings last year. I had a son that was in college and I have a daughter in high school, and they love ramen. They're obsessed with it. And so I got them this rapid ramen cooker. It's literally just this square dish. I just pulled it out of the dishwasher, so excuse the water remnants on it, but it actually has instructions on the inside. It says it's the world's fastest and easiest way to cook ramen noodles. Directions: add noodles, add water to line, microwave 3 to 4 minutes. You cannot get much easier than that. It's the perfect gift for a high schooler or a college student. Super easy. I mean, they do still cook it on the stove, but there are days when they just don't want to mess with the stove and the stirring, and I mean, you know, even that is just too rough, and it fits those days. This is for all of you Friends fans. I stumbled across this. I don't even know how, and I ordered it for myself as an early little Christmas present. I know other people in my house will get on this too, but this is a 1,000 piece jigsaw puzzle. I just thought it looked fun. It looked entertaining. I mean, can't we all use that these days? And I mean, there's all kinds of puzzles on Amazon, but this just looked fun and somewhat challenging too. It's got all kinds of scenes on here, and it just looked like something that would keep us busy and entertained for a while, and I think we could all use a little bit of that right now. This product was in last year's video. I am putting it in this year's too because of the date of this video. It's right before the holiday season. A lot of us like to consume some alcoholic beverages. Sometimes we wake up the next morning not feeling so hot. My friend Risa told me about these 2 years ago, I do believe, and they have been in my life ever since because they have saved me many a morning. This is the Party Smart Herbal Supplement vegetarian capsule. You take these before the end of the night, you know, just maybe an hour before you're going to finish up your night, and you will not have the headache that you would normally have the next morning. You won't feel as bad. You know, I live in New Orleans. I like to have a glass of wine or a beverage every now and then. Please note, I am not encouraging those of you who do not consume alcohol to consume alcohol, but for those of you who do like to consume maybe a little extra around the holidays or whenever, you may want to try these. They've really worked wonders for me on occasion. I don't like to be without them. I'll just say that. These have been a good friend to me on several occasions. This is the second and other product that was in last year's video that I am mentioning again because a lot of us are also burning candles right now, holiday scented candles. I feel like a lot of people I know that don't burn candles year-round burn them around the holidays. This is a flameless lighter that's charged with a USB. You just press a button and that's what lights your candle. You can also lock the button. It's super easy and I just love this thing. I just think everybody should have one of these. So yeah, I just had to put this in this video too because there are a lot of candle lovers out there like me and you need this. Okay, so I live in a pretty hot climate and this is a warm item that even I and many people I know have fallen in love with and have to have in our homes. It's just so cozy and so super soft. It was the gift last year, and from what I am seeing, people are still gifting this. It's still a big thing this year. This is the Comfy. It's this big blanket hoodie. So if you're someone who likes to bury yourself under a huge soft blanket and you want to bring it all the way up, this is what you need. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. You can curl up your entire body underneath it just like a blanket, or you can walk around in it. It is so great. It's just perfect. I gave this to a few people last year. My mom gave me one. It's just such a great gift or an item to buy yourself. I mean, I can't stop touching it right now. I need to move on to the next item though, so I have to put it down. I am going to stay soft and fuzzy for just a minute though. I've watched a lot of these Amazon videos and a lot of people have shown these fuzzy slippers. We have some matching going on, and don't worry, I am going to talk about this cardigan that I am wearing. I'm loving it. I love blush pink so much, and so I had to get these slippers for myself a few months ago in this blush pink color, but there are so many colors as there are with that Comfy that I just showed. But these are so soft and cushy. There is some, I want to say it's like memory foam or something. And I do love that your toes peek out a little bit. I mean, these feel like fur. They are so cushy. I mean, you wear this, you wear your Comfy, you are good to go. So I had planned to show you the 3 cardigans that I bought a couple months ago and I've really been enjoying. I'm going to put them in one of the corners or both of the corners. I have one on here and I'll show you a bigger shot up there. And the other 2 I can't hold up because they're underneath my dog who is sound asleep and I just don't want to disturb him. I can't bring myself to disturb him. And I'll share the sizes that I got and the colors that I got for everything down below next to the product where I've listed everything. I will have everything listed down below, all of these products as well as what I'm wearing, my face, my jewelry, everything. I want to say I got medium in all of them. I try to read through the reviews to get an idea. I usually get what's sized for like size 6 to 8 and I think that's what I got. Anyway, this is one that I am loving and I love the shade. It's got this kind of popcorn feel and kind of bat wing sleeves. Super, super cute and fashionable. One is a longer cardigan that just looks great with anything. And then the other kind of has this circle hem, but they've held up well. They look great with outfits. And I like cardigans because they're so functional. I mean, you can wear with leggings, you can wear with jeans, you can dress them up, you can dress them down. They're just an easy, versatile wardrobe piece. And I like when I don't have to spend an arm and a leg on one. And this one in particular is the softest of the bunch. It is pretty darn soft. This one is my favorite. The one that I have on is my favorite for sure, but I just wanted to throw them in this video because it's just not something that I would normally think to buy from Amazon. And January is right around the corner, and I know a lot of people get organized and purge and things like that when the new year starts. These velvet hangers I swear by. I love that your clothes don't slip over the end. If you do hang a sweater or a cardigan up, you don't get that little shoulder bump like you do with wooden hangers or plastic hangers, and they take up a lot less room in your closet. Amazon has really great deals on these velvet hangers, and you know, I've seen reviews where some people are like, oh, the hanger part broke off or whatever. I have had that happen less than a handful of times when I order the huge packs. And I mean, honestly, you're paying so little that that amount of loss is negligible when you think about what you would pay for these packs of hangers, even at TJ Maxx or Target or wherever else you would buy these. So I've been perfectly happy ordering these from Amazon. That's where I usually get them, and my closet is full of these hangers. I have gradually replaced all of my other hangers with these. I like the way my closet looks. I love the way I can fit so much more in my closet, and I like the way my clothes hang on these. So this would be something to think about for the new year. So this is a body care brand that's carried at Neiman Marcus and some high-end local boutiques. I guess not necessarily high-end, just local boutiques, and of course his own website. And that's the only places I've ever seen this brand, but I just found him on Amazon. The texture's good, the scent is perfect. A lot of people here in New Orleans have this in their homes, the candle as well as the hand lotion. And if someone's not familiar with it, I always get asked, where did you buy this? Because it's so good. So this is Niven Morgan Gold Floral Amber Hand Lotion. I would really be interested to know if any of you have heard of this brand, if you have used or heard of this scent before. It's such a beautiful scent. So it says on here, it's light, refreshing, and non-greasy, and it's also hydrating, and it's formulated for quick absorption. And I agree with all of those things. It's got aloe vera blended with arnica, shea butter, and algae that help restore and nourish. It's not too floral, it's not too amber. It's just such a subtle, beautiful scent that doesn't overpower you after you put it on your hands, but it is stunningly beautiful. I'd originally gotten it for guests for our half bath, and then I was like, I can't reserve this for guests, so I got a second bottle and put it by our kitchen sink, and I use it all the time. I just think it is so, so good, and I'm glad it's available on Amazon. He has other great scents too, and I like his body cream too. So if you're looking for a brand or products from a brand that's a little bit more niche, a little less well known, this would be a great brand to go with. I mean, I had no idea the product that I've been using and loving in my kitchen, in my guest bath, was available on Amazon. I thought it was just a local brand. I had no idea. Two of my most used kitchen appliances are from the brand Ninja, and I had to put them in this video because I got both of them this year actually, and I had no idea how much I was going to end up using them and loving them. So the first one is my coffee maker, and I feel like it was named something before and they renamed it, and I can't keep the name straight, but I'll have it linked in my description box below. I've never had a coffee maker that makes it this easy to measure out things before, but basically you can do a full pot, a half a pot, you can do a large carafe or a large mug, a small mug, you can do a single cup. It uses regular ground coffee, which I love. It also does iced coffee, it brews tea, and it has a frother as well. It has been one of my best purchases of the entire year. And the other is the Ninja little blender. I think it's called the Nutra Ninja. If you drink smoothies and you want something with smooth crushed ice, this is perfect. Now I do have a big, nice blender, which I do love, but when I'm just making single servings for me, I can do it in this one cup. I don't have to clean out the big blender container. I just have the one that I'm drinking out of. It's just so much easier and it works beautifully. So if you are someone you know drinks smoothies or does, you know, Daily Harvest, the smoothie delivery service, this is a great, great blender to have for individual smoothies. If you enjoyed this, you will definitely enjoy my 15 life-changing Amazon products. I'll have it linked here in case you missed that video. I had so many good products in there. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and become part of the family. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!